In this tutorial, we shall learn how to install Visual Studio Code and use Platform IDE, Platform IO IDE for embedded systems and IoT projects. I have found this very convenient for ESP32 programming and it is very widely used. So let's see the basic steps for going through how to install this. The first step is to install Visual Studio Code, the well-known software. Now I am taking you quickly through the steps in a summary form, and in a moment I will take you through the whole process also. In case you want to quickly have a summary, here is the summary that the first step is to install Visual Studio Code from this website. And the second step is to search for platform IO. You will have to put this in your extensions. In this extensions, you will have to search this platform IO. When you click search, this first search result will appear. You can take note of this icon, and in a moment I will show you the whole process also. You will have to click on this selection and install the IO platform IO IDE. Click on this install. Installation will be quick. It will be almost quick, and as you can see, this will be the end result. It will get installed. A home page can be opened after restart and everything. New project etc. will be available. This is the end point of this tutorial, and let's take all the steps practically. I have broken these steps into smaller steps so that things can be managed. In the next tutorials, we shall be actually creating a new project and uploading it to the microcontroller. But right now, let us now go through all the steps that are required, that you can see them one by one. So this is my Visual Studio Code. I have installed. Welcome Untitled Workspace Visual Studio Code. This I have installed, and here this is the extensions. Click on extensions and we will search platform IO. I'm typing on my keyboard platform IO IDE. It has appeared already. So I will click on this one, and here I will see an install. You can take note of this home page. This is how it will actually look. Click on install, and depending on the internet speed, it will take a long time to install. I might pause the video in between so that I can speed up the things. So you can see that it has got installed, and this is what is the actual target. And when it gets installed, you will see this link on the side. On the side you will see this link, and it will take some time to perform configuration, and very soon it will show a story like this. This means that it is installed. It will take long time. Click on this home to reach the home page, and here we can now create new project, open project examples. I'll close it right now. This was the target of this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will actually create a project and upload it. Thank you.